Here we're demonstrating how to change a heater core on a late model Ford Explorer or Mercury Mountaineer. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for removing the computer mounted here and some of this noise deadening material in order to get access to our heater core box cover. What we're going to do is just take an 8mm socket, or it's actually a 10, and spin these bolts out. There's one. I'm going to put it in the magnetic tray. And now for the second one. Alright, put that in the tray. Now we have some little devices here and here that hold this sound deadening material on. Now they just kind of push and twist on. You can take and pull them off just like so. I'm going to set those in your tray. Just like that. We're going to take and peel this sound deadening material back. And we have one more bolt to deal with. And take off this ground strap. Alright, we'll take and set that in the tray. Okay, once you have the mounting bolts taken out of this computer, we're going to take and shift it up and slide the air box out to gain access to this cover here. The heater core is located directly underneath this cover. Let's go ahead and give her a tug, just like so. As you can see, this is the last mounting bolt we need to get at right there. And that is the proper service procedure for breaking this computer free and sliding the air box out to gain access to the heater core cover.